Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for a bedroom cupboard and you are searching for a modern bedroom cupboard designs, then you can stop your search here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best ideas that you can ever think of. So relax and watch each bedroom cupboard designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are used by top interior designers all over the world. The beauty of bedroom is not only just due to its designing and architecture. Cupboard gives an aesthetic beauty to the bedroom. They give more area for storing huge and small items such as clothes, bed sheets, curtains, etc. in an organized manner. Nowadays, there is a lot of material available in the market from which you can choose the closet which are modern in look and have an elegant wardrobe design with ample amount of space. Cupboards are actually an idea which you can modify in any way. They will make your simple cupboard look more special and elegant. There are several types of wardrobe based on material and number of doors which you can choose for your bedroom. Watch this video completely to get all latest cupboard designs. In case you want to maximize the storage in your bedroom, then adding a floor to ceiling cupboard is the right way to go. You can store bulky items like suitcases, strollers on the top part of the cupboard and apparel in the lower half. One of the easiest way of making a bedroom cupboard look amazing is by adding contrasting colored doors. Another great way to maximize storage in your bedroom is by creating a wall of cupboards. You can incorporate different size shelves so that you can hold on to every type of clothing that you might own. If you want to incorporate a beautiful looking cupboard and yet want to save more space floor, then opting for sliding door is highly recommended. By adding a glass sliding door, you can make your wardrobe look even more amazing. For those of you who have a small room and are looking for incorporate a cupboard, then using this elevated wardrobe layout is worth considering. In this way, you will be able to utilize the top half of the wall for storage and lower half to place your bed. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bedroom wardrobe designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. If you have an antique cupboard in your house, then repainting it and using it in your bedroom can be a great way of adding a regal touch. You can also paint these cupboards in bright colors to make them stand out. If you want a wooden cupboard but are not looking to spend a lot of money on its creation, then using laminated sheets to cover your wardrobe is worth a shot. These laminations are available in different patterns which look exactly like wood. If you want to create a cupboard which is durable, then opting for wood as the construction material is advised. You can also use two different colors of wood to make the cupboard look designer. Also, investing in similar looking vintage cupboards can also be a great way to make your bedroom look fabulous. These cupboards can also act as a statement piece for your room. Half and half cupboards are great in case you are looking to create a wardrobe for a couple. The longer half is ideal for men who are looking to hang their formal wear, whereas the two smaller cupboards are for women with ample shelving space. Elevated wardrobes can create a on the top of the wardrobe frame in your bedroom. It consumes less space and gives you more storage for various things such as books, bags, and other necessary articles. They can be arranged above the level of bed and hence it becomes easy for you to use it anytime. Are you thinking to give a classy look to your room? If yes, then the vintage wardrobe is perfect choice. They are extremely beautiful in look and give a perfect elegance to the bedroom. Wardrobes come with a hanging rail and drawers inside. With beauty, it comes with a perfect space. You can enhance the look of your bedroom with these extra large wardrobes. Vintage wardrobes come with many drawers and shelves for keeping clothes, jewelry, files, and other accessories. If you are planning to have a cupboard with a door that you can paint in your style, then the laminated door cupboards are a perfect choice for you. You can get your wardrobe laminated with ply or timber for a more finished look. Yes, on the door of these cupboards, you can paint the texture and design that you want. The laminated wardrobe changes the layout of the room completely. You don't have to pay much for these as they come at a reasonable rate in the market. Glass wardrobe look classy and gives the reflection of the full room. Glass door wardrobes are affordable in prices and easy to use. One of the biggest advantage of this kind of wardrobe is that it makes the bedroom look spacious. If your budget for your new home renovation is tight, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our website interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. Some tips for wardrobe designs. Firstly, take complete measurements. Make sure you are aware of the ceiling height and other essentials before you start the construction of your modern bedroom cupboard. Secondly, take a hard look at what you would want your wardrobe to look like. Will it have a lot of shelves, racks, or just doors to separate two compartments? Will it have hooks for robes and bags or plain shelves? Will it be a combination of two colors or not, etc. Thirdly, make room for shelves that are at a height. You can store unworn or unused items there for the future use. Fourthly, another decision you will have to make is whether you want open wardrobe or wardrobes with shutters. You will probably find that though a shutter-free existence does make life easier, it also makes it dustier. You can close off your loft space from public view. All you need is hinges and shutters. friends, hope you like this video on modern wardrobe cupboard design ideas, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload any new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. Hope you like this video, and for more such videos keep us subscribed, and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.